Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Video number 23, how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it and learn something new. So here you can see my negative values in this column and I want positive value. So suppose I like this is in negative, so this is small data, so we can simply do like this. But while there is huge data, we have to spend more time. So for that, to automate this and save time, we will just hit here equal to and we'll select the range. We will select the cell and this will be our cell. I want to change this negative into positive. So I'll just simply multiply it by -1. I'll multiply by -1, and if I multiply this -1 and minus, it will give my positive sense. I will hit enter and drag this all, and here we go. You can see my all the negatives values are changed into positive. So this is a simple quick trick that will help you while calculating the negative value. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.